See. So, what is Otto cycle? Basically, there are two types of engine. One is SI engine, one is CI engine. One is SI engine, one is CI engine. SI engine means spark ignition engine, CI engine means compressor injection. हमें जो vehicle चलाते सब बाइक ये सब ना ये समस्त बाइक चलो तो बाइक सब बहुत कौन ना ऑटो साइकिल अंदर that is called your spark ignition engine. Okay, basically कौन है ना चारिटा process है से engine okay, these four processes are कौन now first one is isentropic compression. Isentropic compression. Second one is constant volume. Heat addition. Third one is isentropic expansion process. And fourth one is constant volume heat. Okay, so these are the four processes. Okay, how it works? See, when isentropic compression means when you put the kick put actually everyone see this kick तो kick मारते ना जैसा kick मारते हो what happens the inlet valve is open. Okay, inlet valve open, then the air plus fuel this mixture goes into your engine cylinder. Okay, then what happens? Then there is a compressor. When the compression process is started, what happens? The fuel is compressed so that the pressure and temperature will be increases, but the volume of the fuel is decreases. Okay. Then after there is a power stroke. You give the what? Spark. Okay. Then just for this. Okay. So see how we are going to draw the PV and PS diagram for that process. These four processes. Starting from PV diagram. If you draw the PV diagram, it is like that. First process is isentropic compression. Okay. Second one is constant volume heat addition. Then isentropic expansion. Then constant volume heat addition. These are the four processes. Okay. In this process, where the heat is added from here and heat rejection is. So isentropic compression means when the fuel enters into the engine cylinder, when you compress something, what happens? The volume will be decreases, but the pressure and temperature will be increases. Yes or no? So if you compress these things, what happens? The volume will be decreases, but the pressure and temperature will be increases. Got it? Then what happens? 2 to 3 process. When 2 to 3 is, it's a constant volume. So a constant volume process here, we are supplying the heat. Okay? Then comes to your 3 to 4 process. This is the isentropic expansion process. When there is the expansion process, if you leave these things, then the pressure and temperature will be decreased, but the volume will be increased. Okay? Then the last process is known as your 4 to 1. It is known as constant volume heat rejection. Okay? The heat is rejected. So basically this Otto cycle is a closed system cycle. Got it? Now I am going to draw the PS diagram. If you draw the temperature entropy diagram, right? Okay, it is like that. 1 to 2 is the isentropic compression process. Then 2 to 3 is known as what? Constant volume heating. Then 3 to 4 is known as isentropic expansion process. Then 4 to 1 is known as what? supplied here. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the efficiency. Why am I calculating the efficiency? Whenever you go to the market or shopkeeper, you are going to buy a vehicle. That time what you ask? What is the mileage of the vehicle? Okay, so we are asking the mileage of the. So every time we are going to calculate the efficiency of this engine. Okay. So how to calculate this efficiency of the engine? See. Basically, efficiency of the engine is the efficiency of auto is equal to W net by heat supply. W net by heat supply. Okay. So what is W net? W net equal to Q1 minus Q2 divided by Q1. Why Q1 minus Q2? Because according to the first law of thermodynamics, total input to a system is equal to total output to a system. Okay? Because energy can neither be created nor can be destroyed. It can only changes from one form of energy to another form. I am heat and we got the heat according to the first law. So that's why W net equal to what? Q1 minus Q2 by Q2. So efficiency is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q2. Okay. If the heat supply and heat rejection is given to you, then you can put this formula for efficiency equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q2. So now what is Q1 and Q2? So Q1 is nothing but it is the what? Heat supply, that is mCv dt. Why mCv dt? Because Cv is known as a constant volume specific. So Cv is constant volume processor by supply line. So that is mCv dt minus A2. Similarly, what is Q2? That is mCv dt. That is mCv Q4 minus Q1. Okay, if you put this Q2 by Q1, what you got? 1 minus mCv Q4 minus Q1 divided by mCv Q3 minus Q2. So mCv cancel out. What you got? 1 minus Q4 minus Q1 divided by Q3 minus Q2. This is the efficiency of what? Now, see, these are the two. If heat supply and heat rejection is given to you, then you put this formula. Okay? You put this formula. If the temperature, all the four temperatures are given to you, then you put this formula. Okay? Now the question is, how to find out this efficiency? By using compression ratio. So what do you mean by compression ratio? Compression ratio is denoted by RC. RC is known as compression. What is compression ratio? Compression ratio is nothing but volume at the beginning of compression to volume at the end of compression. Means that means V1 divided by Cp is known as what? Compression ratio. Okay. So in terms of compression ratio, what is the cycle? See how to find out this thing. So if we know that process 1 to 2 is the isentropic process. Okay. So Td to the power gamma minus 1 equal to constant. So T1 V1 to the power gamma minus 1 equal to T2 V2 to the power minus 1. So now T2 by T1 equal to V1 by V2 to the power negative equation from the power. Okay. Now again, process T2 is known as isentropic expansion process. For this process, your Tb to the power gamma minus 1 equal to constant. Means T T3 V3 to the power gamma minus 1 equal to T4 V4 to the power gamma minus 1. Okay, now see, so T3 by T4 equal to V4 by V3 to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to, see, what is V4 by V3? As we know that V4 equal to V1 and V3 equal to what? Because since V4 equal to V2, sorry, V1, V4 equal to V1 and V2 equal to V2. Okay. Now what you got? V1 by V2 means T0 by T4 equal to V1 by V2 to the power minus. Here T2 by T1 equal to V1 by V2 to the power minus. From this equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we got what? T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T4. Means, can I write this? T4 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. Okay. Now make minus 1 in both sides. What you got? T1 T4 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 divided by T2. Or what you got? This implies T1 by T2 equal to T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. Okay? Make it equation number 2. Then what you know about this efficiency? हमें कौन जानते थे efficiency विषय रे? The efficiency of auto equal to 1 minus T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. Yes or no? So now what you got? 1 minus T1 by T2. So what is 1 minus T1 by T2? 1 minus T1 T2 means 1 minus what? V2 by V1 to the power gamma minus. Okay. So what is V2 by V1? Because as we know that so V2, because V1 by V2 equal to RC, so V2 by V1 equal to something. So this is the efficiency of motorcycle. If someone asks you what is the efficiency of motorcycle, then they say efficiency of motorcycle equal to 1 minus 1 by RT to the power gamma minus 1. Okay? These are the three efficiency. Got first one is 1 minus 1 by RT to the power gamma minus 1. Second one is what? 1 minus T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. Last one is 1 minus. So see, if the heat supplied and electricity is given to you, then you put this formula. If the all the temperature are given to you, then you can put this formula. If only compression ratio is given to you, then you put this formula. Okay? Got it? Any doubt?